Namaste. My name is Shashi and I would love to show you how to come from heavy lethargic depression to healthy and joyful routines and stability in your life. You know it, I know it, these super heavy days, sometimes even weeks, where everything feels stagnant, it's heavy, it's pulling you down, you can't move, there's no getting further, there's no going backwards, right? That's called depression. This heavy, stagnant feeling comes from the combination of earth and water in your body, which bear things down and hold a lot of weight. These elements in combination are called the Kapha Dosha, according to Ayurveda. If these two elements are in balance though, instead of being too much or too little, what happens then is you have a lot of stability and nourishment in your life. So how can we come from this to that point? One way of doing that is with beautiful routines, because as you already know from a depression, everything feels the same, right? Use that momentum and make good things the same. Stick up with the small good things that you have in your life and build stability and nourishment with them. And especially nourishment is a key point here. So instead of binging some unhealthy processed food, binge healthy food, binge fruits. Rather eat too much fruits than too much white sugar, for example. Another way is finding the proper exercise. Kapha is heavy, yeah, it's earth and water. You want to get rid of excess, of too much of that. So get sweating, get that water out from your body, especially that old, heavy, dense water, and get your body moving. Get up before sunrise. Key point to balance this aspect. Even if you go back to bed for a nap 2-3 hours later, get up before sunrise and just move your body. The first 2-3 minutes are tough, and after it's just flowing and you will be overwhelmed by this incredible energy that these elements have in your body ready waiting for you to be used in a positive way. Also, work a lot on chest, shoulder openings. Really open up your body for this great gift of life. And you will see, one day after the other, you will find more stability, happiness, and nourishment in your life, instead of lethargic steadiness and overwhelming stagnancy. And you will love this predictability in beauty and goodness coming from yourself. I'm looking forward to practice a lot more Kapha Yoga with you together in our Ayurveda series, now live at the One Yoga online studio. My name is Shashi and I'm looking forward to get that body moving with you. Namaste.